our challenge today is to go on every single roller coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. Just rode Kraken. What did you guys think? Would you ride Kraken? It's pretty crazy. It's pretty awesome.
It's pretty crazy.
It was a really great ride. All right, so the whole plan today, we have, where's my thingy? We have 6 coasters. See all these? We have 6 roller coasters that we have to complete by 2 o'clock. It's already, what, 12:30?
11:45.
Oh, 11:45. So we've got a lot of running around and coaster riding to do. We're gonna go across the way and go to Journey to Atlantis just because we're gonna get out of the way so we can run to other coasters. So I'm assuming we're gonna get wet.
Yeah.
But that's okay. That's part of the fun, right? For 5 minutes upside down.
My hair's just going everywhere. I just see clips of everything.
Could you see?
Not really. Every once in a while my hair would go up and I would just be face to face with like a waterfall or like the ground. It was terrifying. We just did Manta. It was a lot of fun. It was really really scary, and we didn't lose the camera this time like we did last time. But now we're going on to our third one, which is Mako.
The next roller coaster on our list is that one right there. That is the Icebreaker. That is the brand new roller coaster here at SeaWorld, and let me say, it is epic. So Hunter and I are gonna go jump on this amazing brand new roller coaster.
That was the easy part.
Kelly didn't ride any of the roller coasters for the challenge, but he did want to come here. He wanted to see all of the penguins. So that's where we are right now. And it is a little cold in here. Perfect for the penguins, but for us, it's a little chilly.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Coaster capital
Ready.
of Orlando, baby. Woohoo! We hit every single roller coaster. We got our reward, which is these awesome coaster capital of Orlando t-shirts. So we accomplished that goal. Hunter got a crazy octopus squid thing.
It's not crazy.
It is very swagger, right? So it was overall an amazing day here at SeaWorld. Guys, check it out. Come to SeaWorld, ride the incredible roller coasters, and create a challenge with your family. Thanks for joining us. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you next time. Bye! And you're here.